green card extension rule. This is something we definitely wanted to make sure that we could cover in today's. For individuals who have a green card, a 10-year green card specifically, when you renew that green card or if it has expired, part of the process is you'll go for a fingerprint appointment where immigration would put a stamp on your card extending your green card. For most of you, you're just beginning your immigration journey, and this might not be applicable, but I want to share it nonetheless because you might have information. This information might benefit somebody you know, and it's also just a good piece of information to be aware of. And so the change that was just announced is that now what's going to happen with individuals who have 10-year green cards, if you file to renew your green card, they're actually going to give you a receipt notice now that extends that green card. So what that means is you'll send your application in to renew your 10-year green card, and then you'll get a receipt notice in the mail, and that receipt notice will automatically extend your green card for 12 months while you wait for the new one. And so this is really great because it used to be a little bit more convoluted of a way to get that proof that you were still a lawful permanent resident. And this is what they do for individuals who have 2-year green cards. When you file your removal of conditions, you'll get that receipt notice that automatically extends your card for 18 months. So just a really quick update on that for all of you to be aware of that new green card extension rule. It's great. So if you have recently filed or you're going to file, just know that that will happen. You'll get that receipt notice that'll extend your green card. And if you haven't filed for naturalization, we highly recommend that because then you won't have to worry about renewing your green card and extensions and all of that. And you'll have all the benefits of becoming a United States citizen, being able to travel outside of the country for more than 6 months, vote, access to benefits, and all the benefits of being a United States citizen.